Show you guys a cake I made. Now this is a replica of the spell book from Hocus Pocus. Now it's not the exact same, but it is pretty much as close as I could get. So 6 hours. This took me 6 hours. Let me show you guys. Check that out. So I used Oreo cake. So it's going to be vanilla Oreo. And I used chocolate fondant and vanilla fondant that I painted a silver charcoal color. On the sides of this book we have the vanilla fondant, but I powdered it with cocoa powder to make it look like pages. And I even indented, you can't really see, but I indented in the book to make it look like pages. It's kind of hard to see from there, but I hand rolled snakes, and we have one long snake with stitches with ice, just cookie icing. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. We're gonna eat this baby tomorrow. Again, it is Oreo, vanilla Oreo with extra Oreos. I chopped them up I chopped up a huge bag, so a lot of Oreos are in this cake. That little spider. Yeah, there's my little eyeball. Doesn't really focus. There it is. So, yeah, for the snake, I tried to get a silver color. It was very hard, so I had to paint the snake. This was a vanilla fondant. I had to paint it with a charcoal color and then use charcoal glitter on top. Yep. And it looks the same from here. Kind of that woodsy finish with the cocoa powder. So that is pretty much it, you guys. We're gonna be eating this tomorrow at a Halloween party, and hopefully I can record that for you guys. But yeah, this took me about 6 hours. Hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like my videos if you like them, obviously. Subscribe and share them. Hey guys, it's Desiree, your graveyard EMT. I have made the Hocus Pocus cake and I'm going to be cutting it, so let's see what it looks like on the inside.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. This is the cake. Yes. Where should I cut it from? Any takers? The snake?
Right down the middle.
Right? Okay. Oh gosh. Okay.
Yum. Wow, that is such a beautiful cake.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. We're gonna cut it right
And so is Lauren.
here.
Oh, you guys are talented.
And it's Oreo filled. Okay. You can tell I don't usually cut cake.
You need like a spatula.
I got one. I
got one?
Yeah. So we'll put that down.
Let me see. Let me take a good look. Look at that beauty.
You're so sweet.
I tried. Yeah.
My PR person.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
We gotta catch that. We gotta catch the side.
I was looking.
Look at that. See, I didn't even catch the side. Wow, that's a beautiful cake.
I did pull that up and everything else.
I'll send you a link. No one
Yeah,
ever
send me a
finds
link,
me.
please.
Little Desi. It never comes up for people. I don't
No.
know why. Let's
Please subscribe.
please subscribe.
That's who comes up, and I know.
Who is that? Not me. Okay.
Ooh.
Let's see if this turned out right.
Wow, look at that.
Oh.
Goodness.
Oh, it's vegan too, by the way. Oh, look, Oreos.
Oreo filling.
And that is it. What do you think?
It looks delicious. Can I have a bite?
Yeah, you want a bite?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Can I take a bite real quick?
Go for it.
Okay. I'm excited. It's really good. It tastes like Oreo. Okay, I'm happy. You want some, baby?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
You guys are so darling.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Really
Thank
good.
you guys for watching. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Check this out. We really ate a lot of it, but that's the inside.
There you go.
Okay. Cut a little piece of the eyeball. Look at that. We're taking the eyeball. Oh, good. Okay, guys. Just got my plate. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my gosh. That was the eyeball. And there it is. There's the Oreo and the orange sprinkles. So good. I'm gonna enjoy this now. Share it with my husband. And see you guys later.